Tom is a Harvard man, a Red Sox fan, and a golfer. But in spite of these obvious character flaws, I learned to put up with him. And Alex learned to love him.
Alex loves to draw. She always has.
Alex, do I get to choose one of these pictures, or did you mean for me to keep them all?
Only one thing. I've had many requests from my wife.
Sure you have. You know, these are very special, and I would like to take a minute or two to think about it. So why don't you go on into the next room and get a prize for being such a star patient? Not to mention artists of considerable ability. Manager Orland, can you prepare for the idea? I would like to start the first series in 2 weeks.
Well, she just started school. She's doing good.
The best I can do is to schedule her for a month from now.
He said that he had had a contract and I'm going to do it. But I said at that time, like, I don't want any problem. I don't want any trouble. And he said, all I want to do is talk about scheduling with the patient. He was scheduled with 3 times more. And he held out the court documents to his right. And I looked down at the documents and I was going to say something when he had just come to my throat. I have worked and I'm sure that
Okay.
Hello, Billy.
Are you seriously physically abused or sexually abused?
You threw it.